Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the transparent text effect. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is add the text and then place it over the object. Now that you've done that, select the image where your object is located and using the object selection tool, select your object and using Command plus J, copy the object, or on PC Control plus J. And now you're going to select your text, go to FX, blending options, stroke, and add the same colored stroke as your text. You can put the size of the stroke to whatever you want. I'm going to put it 3 pixels. And then by pressing Command plus J, you're going to want to copy the text. Then go to blending options again, and this time enable color overlay. Put it to a bright color, a one that's very distinct from your stroke. You should have something that looks like this. Now, the new text layer that we just created, you're going to want to right click and convert to smart object. Now that it's a smart object, I'm going to select the magic wand tool and I'm going to select the 2 letters that are going to be a part of the effect. And now I'm going to press delete. If your object is not directly editable, what you're going to want to do is grab the eraser tool, press once, press OK, and now you can delete it. Then go to the layers, grab your original text and put it under your object. And I'm going to delete these 2 letters that aren't a part of the effect. And now I'm going to clean up these edges. A nice way you can do that is by going to stroke, and by selecting inside stroke, it's going to fill it up perfectly. There you go. This is what you're going to get. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.